Good afternoon, my friends. Did you see this top part of a vacuum cleaner for the house? And this one, you can spot the difference. So let me clean up both of them a little bit and then I will bring you back. There's a story behind this too. Okay guys, so this is how it look when I clean it up. The one, and this is the other one. The story is, this is my original machine and I have this for way over 15 years. It is a Genesis. I just want to show you without dropping that one. You can see it is a Genesis, which is a fantastic machine. I had it, as I mentioned, for very long, and this morning I was on my way out to the shops and I see alongside the road at the home this one sit with the other parts at the bottom, which I will show you a bit later. And I could see from my car it does look very much better than this one. And I thought, why is this alongside the road? And I stop. And just as I want to pick it up, you can see it's a Genesis. And the guy came out and he said, hey, you can take it. Everything works 100%. The only problem is, you can see here, the catch, which must sit here, broke off. And also on the other side, you can see there, it is totally gone. But he said the motor runs still very good, but he could do nothing with this because it is now broken. But the good thing is, this is what he tried to repair it with a wire. And my machine, the catches is in a 100% condition, as you can see. So my plan is, guys, to remove only this ring at the bottom and put it on this machine. You can see I've already give all the screws some WD-40 for easy removal. So I only need this ring. And then I've got a brand new spanking looking machine. Okay guys, I removed all the screws. You can see there, or not, you can't see. There you can see it's a couple of screws right around. So, and let's see if I can get, remember I just want to get this off because that is where it is broken and the rest can stay. So let's try and lift it. Okay, that was easy enough. So that's good news. So this is the motor. Let's see. It looks a bit rusty here, but this is wet and dry, so we can understand that there will be some rusting areas, but the motor spins, so that is fine. And I guess the motor is actually in a better condition than mine because this machine is not so old. So only now I'm going to remove that one, the same as this, and put that one on here. Okay guys, it's now the next day and I go ahead and remove, this is my machine, this cap, and that was really difficult. You can see how the screws look. I had to use my Dremel to get it out, but all of them are out. So let's lift this part now out from my machine and see how my motor looks. And this is the part that I want to put on that side so that we can secure the underpiece. So my motor, it feels the same as the other one, a little bit more, not so much rust, but this is now the bad one. So I'm going to put it aside and try assemble this one. First I need to clean it. I did not clean it yet, but I will do it now. And this will now come up on this one. And this is actually a better filter. I'll show you later. Okay guys, I don't know where I was previously, but it's the next day, and I go ahead and replace this ring as I mentioned earlier in the video. There's the nice caps that is broken off from the old one that was on. Here it is, as you remember. So this is now from my machine, which sit on the ground. I've done everything, put the plug on. It is on the wall and on. So let's hear how this is now the motor that come with this nice top. Let's hear if it run and how it run. 1, 2, 3. Look how it suck. That is now very good news. Okay, I'll show you now the rest of the stuff. Okay guys, this is now the new under part. I hope the light is okay. And with mine, the pipe and this area where the pipe go in is not good anymore. But look at this one. It go in and then it click into place. There it is. Mine is very loose. That is the first problem. And this second one on mine is this part. This part here that you see there, you can remove it, but it is worked out. So I secured it there with tape to hold it in place. This is the area that is submerged into water, so that it's basically a water filter, so it doesn't put dust in the air. That's how it works. And it's also a wet and dry, as I mentioned. So this fits in here, and then this part fits in here. That is to prevent some splash up. So let's make that new part with this. This is also the new, and see how it match. So guys, this is now all new machine. With this ring is mine that now can latch there, and also on this side. Here I have a brand new machine. All I need to do is extend that, and just look how nice it look. That is, I'm very happy, very happy that everything turned out so nice. Looks spanking new. Okay my friends, at last the Stihl 017 arrived for me to check over. It took longer than expected, but it's here, and you can see it is a very messy story here. You can see there on the yellow there, all over is some oil, and I believe that is one of the problems. And the other problem is it bogged down if you try to rev it up. I just want to see overall how it look at the bottom. That must be the centrifugal clutch. So we will tackle this from tomorrow. You can see even in there it is really oily. So I'm not sure what and why. Let's turn it around. So the tools that I get from Matt will now come in very handy, because we will definitely work on the carburetor. And that's where you put oil in. So we will tackle it tomorrow and just have an overall look on it. So it was at a garage, can you say, or a small engine repair shop, and according to them, the machine must go back to Stihl for repairs. I think what they mean is there's a leak between the oil tank and the block of the engine. That's what I understand. And but there can be other reasons as well why it leaks oil. But I'm going to give it a try, my friends, and we will definitely bring you along all the way. And it looks as if the chain gets some oil at least. But we will test everything. Okay, so guys, this will probably be more than one video, because I'm going to strip it. Okay, look out for this, and the next one, we'll start with this tomorrow. Okay, my friends, now I'm out, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.